Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I will show you how to use Magic Portal for instant drag and drop on this device. So you can activate it in your settings. Let's find HONOR AI section. Now we want to go to Magic Portal and let's enable this feature right here. So basically how it works. You want to long press some piece of information. It could be text, selected text, photo, any video. So let me open any web page on my device just to copy this text. So basically I want to press and hold piece of data. I want to press and hold piece of data like this until it floats. And then on your right side, you will see application suggestions. Here are Google Maps, YouTube, Notes, Messages, Gmail, etc. So you can drop this content that you long pressed into desired application to complete the action. So let's say that you want to copy this text into your notes, like this. And here is this note with this text. Okay, so some practical implementation, practical use of this feature. Let's say that you copy some kind of address and you want to quickly look up on Google Maps how to commute to this address. I will drop this piece of information to Google Maps and it instantly gives me some results. Okay, so that is basically how you can use Magic Portal for instant drag and drop on your HONOR Magic8 Pro device, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.